In this video, I will guide you how to do Excel sequence repeating numbers. You can sequence repeating numbers without formulas by establishing a pattern and using built-in Excel features. So for example, type the full sequence number, for example, 1, 2, 3 in separate cells. Now highlight those three cells and drag the fill handle and down as needed. So if it continues to 4, 5, 6, instead of repeating, click the autofill option and here you need to select the copy cells and here you can see the repetition. There is another way repeating each number. For example, type 1 3 times and type 2 3 times in a separate cells. Now highlight all of these cells and drag the fill handle down. Excel will recognize the pattern and continue it. If you see these are the decimals, you can go to the home and decrease the decimals. And here you can see that. There is another way which is called the fill series menu for very long sequence where dragging is difficult. So enter the starting number, for example 1, and so head to the home and go to the editing group and click on the fill and click on the series. So if you want to set the series to column, click on the column and give the step value 1 and enter the stop value, for example 100, and now click OK. So once the numbers 1 to 100 are created, you can copy paste them and repeatedly or paste or use the fill handle to copy cells to create the repetitions like this one. There is a simple and repeat method. So type one number and hold the control key while dragging to force sequence if it just copies like this one and stop it, and now again control and drag it, and here you can see that you can repeat the number like this one. Make sure you should press the control key. So with these way you can easily make Excel sequence repeating numbers. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.